foodies, welcome back to our channel guys. So today's recipe is this delicious palak chicken. If you're new here, you're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. So let's get started and see what we'll need. I've taken about 1 kg chicken, 3 large onions, about 3 medium-sized tomatoes, some ginger garlic paste, green chilies, spices and kasuri methi, some coriander, some masala powders. I've taken turmeric, salt, red chili powder, garam masala, dhania powder and black pepper. I've also taken some palak here and some oil. This is very easy to make, so please keep watching. Light up the stove and place a kadai. To this add some oil guys. Over here I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add in the spices that we've taken. I've taken some bay leaves, cinnamon and cloves. You can also add in other spices like Marathi mogu and all. To this I'm also going to add about 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi. Kasuri methi gives a very good flavor to your dishes. So wherever we actually are suggesting kasuri methi, please add that guys. Once these spices are heated, I'm going to add in the onions. I've taken about 3 large onions that I have sliced up finely. Add all these and cook them. To this I'm also going to add in some salt to cook the onions a little faster. I've taken about 3 to 4 green chilies that I have cut at julienne. Add that and give it a stir. You want the onions to brown, that is, you want the onions to caramelize nicely like this. Once the onions look like this, you can add in your ginger and garlic paste. I've taken about 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add that and give it a good mix guys. This recipe is very delicious, so I hope you try this out. Once the ginger and garlic paste cooks for a while, for like 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add in the tomatoes here. I've taken about 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Try to use the farm version of the tomatoes instead of the nati one. Once the onion and tomato mixture cooks for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat, I'm going to add in all the masalas. So I've taken some turmeric, red chili powder, dhania powder, about 1 teaspoon of garam masala and some salt. Add all these in and give it a good mix. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. We're posting really good recipes almost every day. So if you want us to make something, if you want to learn some recipe, please leave it below in the comments. We'll definitely get back to that. Consider subscribing guys, it would mean a lot to us. I'm adding in chicken also. Here I've taken about 1 kg chicken that I have washed and set aside previously. Add this chicken and give this a good mix. Let this cook on low heat guys. To this you can add some water and let it cook so that the chicken can absorb all the masala nicely. Once it's cooked on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, it should look something like this. To this add about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper powder and some coriander and give it a good mix. This tastes really good with parota, chapati, puri and rice. So do give it a try guys, you'll not regret it. I'm adding in some more water and letting it cook. In the meanwhile, I've taken fresh palak here. I've washed these leaves, I've cut the stalks out and I've just taken the leaves portion and I'm finely chopping it up. finely chop the palak like this so that we can add it in later. Those of you who are new here, please subscribe to our channel, guys. It would mean a lot to us. Like our videos, share it with your loved ones, and comment below what you want us to make. Now I'm adding in the palak. Look how good it looks. Green always makes things look good, right? Give this a nice stir. And then let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Once the oil starts separating out, it indicates that your chicken is done. I'm going to serve this now. Do try this out, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. It tasted really good. So definitely try this recipe, and if you want us to make something, please let us know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with more videos.